Q is for queen, wearing crown so bright. Tony waves hello with happy delight. Cast shines in golden gleam. Queen and Tony smile like a dream. Q is for quail, small and sweet. Tony points gently, such a treat. Walking softly on the green grass trail, Tony learns Q is for quail. Q is for question, what can it be? Tony thinks hard, curious as can be. Round and curly, big and bright. Question mark helps Tony. For quilt, cozy and warm. Tony hugs it tight in bedtime charm. Colors and patches, soft and neat. Quilt, light makes Tony sleep so sweet. Q is for Q, stand in a line. Tony waits calmly, doing just fine. One by one, slow and true. Good manners shine in Tony's Q. Q is for Quack, hear the sound. Tony laughs as ducks splash around. Quack, quack, quack by the pond so blue. Tony learns sounds start with Q. Q is for Quill, feather so light. Tony holds it, smiling bright. Write and draw, old times thrill. Tony learns Q is for Quill. Q is for quarter, shiny and round. Tony holds coin, looking proud. Flip and count, learn some more. Quarter helps Tony explore. Q is for quiet, shh, soft and slow. Tony puts finger on lips to show. In the class order up very bright. Tony learns Q means quiet. Q is for Quokka, smiling wide. Tony stands happily by its side. Cute and friendly joy you see. Tony loves Q is for Quokka glee.